Going on, everybody? Today we've got the Super Chicken that I just picked up. I think I got a blown head gasket, so I'm gonna pull the motor and just do the 750 swap right away. I'll kind of document how I do it and what the deal is with the 750, so let's get after it. What's up, guys? So we're gonna spray this bad boy out and get her repainted. I bought a can of the top deck, so got my pressure washer, we got the ski propped up on the back of the four-wheeler, and we're gonna spray this hull out. I'm gonna go for a clean, bright white interior here. Yeah, we'll get back to you. She's all cleaned out. I'm gonna give it a vacuum and a good rub down with some ammonia and bleach and degreaser and what else not before I do it again. So, but she came out pretty clean. It was pretty dirty. The exhaust on there was pretty gnarly. It all pools up right on the bottom, right down by the exhaust pipe there. It just sits there. But yeah, there's a little bit of stuff in here yet, just little mix and matches. I couldn't believe the person that I bought this from, there was like all this like nuts and bolts. This wasn't in there, but all this garbage pooled up down at the bottom from when I started spraying. So happy I did that now instead of having one get sucked up later. But yep, we'll keep you updated. Just a little update, we got our first 2 coats in the bay. Turned out pretty decent here with the top coat. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. So this is the stuff I use, the Rust-Oleum topside. I did the gloss white. I wish it kind of came in like a matte white like some other interior boat hulls, but it turned out looking really good. I'll silicone and do all that once I get it all dried out and come back tonight and start reassembling the front here. I took everything off to be able to paint it 360, so it did a good job leveling. The fiberglass extras that were in here, kind of I don't know, maybe just my OCD's kicking in, but I think it turned out really, really good as far as what it looked like before. Alright, so we're back, we're painted, got everything taken off here, and started putting some stuff back in, the factory sump, and got the motor mounts back in, got the reverse wired up here, just pretty much the basics. Put the drain pipes from the footwell back in, and got the bilge line, and I've got my pisser there. Yeah, pretty much next week is going to be dropping off the motor at the shop and getting that board out so we can do the 750 swap and work on the electronic box. I'm going to keep the stock mounting point like right there, so we'll see what happens with that. I'm waiting to see if I can find a single 750 intake manifold, but as of now, we're painted.